Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another blood relationship problem for you. Here's a problem pointing to John. Boris said, I am the only son of one of the sons of his father. How is John related to Boris? As usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So let's start analyzing this problem. I am the only son. That's enough for us to start. What this means? This means relationship as follows. So here is a couple who has a son. So the first few words here describe the situation. I am the only son. So we are talking about this guy here. He is the only son. Boris said. So this have to be a Boris. So Boris. Now let's continue. I am the only son of one of the sons. Son of one of the sons. That means that his father has brothers. Number of brothers are not specified, but let's assume two more brothers, and of course they should have mother and father. So let's continue. Let me use different color. Of one of the sons of his father. Again, I am the only son of one of the sons of his father. So let's assume that Boris is talking about this person who is John. So let's follow again what he's saying. I am the only son, and he's the only son, as you see, of this couple, of the sons of his father. I am the only son of the sons of his father. So his father of John, has sons, and I am the son of one of those sons. So in this case, Boris is talking about his uncle. So John is his uncle, or it can be this brother of his father, and he's also going to be an uncle of the Boris, because all brothers and sisters of his father would be his uncles, or would be aunt if his father would have sister. But we know that his father has only brothers. But this is not the only one solution. Imagine now that one of the brothers can be his own father. Now let's again follow the logic. I am the only son, and he is the only son of one of the sons, and his father is one of the sons of his father. So now we see that Boris can refer also to his father, and his father can be John. And in this case, we cannot say for sure whether Boris is talking about his father or about his uncle, but we have such an answer. This is answer C. So Boris can talk about his father or uncle. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.